It's amazing, literally. It's weird to think that we're actually on a rooftop in London, but honestly, we're in Spain somewhere as far as I can tell. It's crazy.
I've just said to somebody, I don't think there's anywhere in the world I'd rather be on a day like today. You can't beat it.
Good morning and welcome. Good morning. Not only that, they realised that they needed to be more agile.
The talks were amazing, especially Matthew's. It was really kind of eye-opening and surprised to see such a high-caliber speaker at the event. I wasn't expecting that. It's cool to have a more wide-scale kind of conversation.
I'm super excited to come up here and talk to you. Just kidding. I'm from the Midwest. It's just a little north of that.
I've never been here before. It's great. You've got wildlife, you've got sunshine. So yeah, it's really good venue, well organised as well.
Being surrounded by all of this gives us an opportunity to step outside of the rush of our daily jobs and actually focus on being bigger, better, smarter than we were when we arrived.